Hi everyone, miss me? I know you all did. Work has been super hectic the past 2 weeks, but I am back to making videos and I can't wait to tell you guys about these new products that I've been using. If you are new here, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel, and if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let me tell you all about these super cute beauty blender holders and beauty blender cases. So a seller on Amazon reached out to me recently and they wanted to send me these super cute beauty blender holders and beauty blender cases, and they wanted me to review for you all and show how adorable and cute they are. Not to mention convenient, portable, and you get a lot of usage out of them. So the cases look like this. This is how they look. And the holders look like this. Aren't they so cute? Now let me tell you about them and show you the website on Amazon. I'm sure we all know about Amazon by now. Here is how the website looks. And here is how the cases and the holders look on the website. And let me tell you what these holders and cases are for. So if you're like me and you use makeup, you wear makeup, I always wash my beauty blenders and don't know what to do with them. So I wind up just putting them, rubbing up against all my other makeup. And that's not sanitary, especially since I have acne prone skin. So I'm always constantly re-washing my beauty blender just before I use it. With these holders, obviously, as you can see here, you just put the beauty blender right in it. And that is it. It's perfect if you want to store your beauty blender, and if you have acne prone skin like mine, or you easily break out and you have very sensitive skin, then this eliminates the beauty blender rubbing up against any of your other cases or any of your other makeup or anything else. Obviously that's going to eliminate acne or anything that could be causing breakouts to your skin. Not to mention it's very portable and it's convenient, so it's perfect. You just wash your beauty blender and just put it right in the case, and you put it right next to all your other makeup. So that's what I've been using it for, and it's perfect for traveling. That's where the cases come in, the cute pink and purple that I got. The cute cases, that's where they come in. You just put the whole holder with your beauty blender inside the case. This is how it looks and this is how it fits, and that's it. You just put it inside your luggage or wherever you're going to store your makeup for traveling. I think that is absolutely perfect, as you can see on their website. I love how they show you with little pictures how it would look and how convenient and portable it is. Now this is about $8, so it is very affordable. The quality of the cases as well as the holder is great. I've been using them non-stop and I absolutely love it, and not to mention it's very handy. And so here's how they look. They come in a variety of different colors. On their website they have them in black and orange, black and red, blue and purple, green and orange, and of course the colors I got, pink and purple. So they're super cute, super handy, super portable, and very convenient and handy to use around the house, or especially when you're traveling. You know, when you're traveling and if you're like me, you're trying to put all your makeup in one place. If you're putting beauty blenders in there in your makeup case, then it can, obviously the beauty blender is going to lose shape, or it's going to be a little deformed, you know, when you take it out and it's got indentations of it because it's been rubbing against your makeup brushes or your powders or whatever other things you have in there. So this completely eliminates the need for all of that, and you just put it inside the holder and then inside the case. So I think that's absolutely perfect. And then on top of that, your beauty blender isn't getting, you know, dust particles from powders or whatever else on it. So I think that is absolutely great, and that will eliminate, for me, since I have acne prone skin, the need to have to keep on washing my beauty blender, because it's just portable and it's safe and it's easy to carry and handy for me to have here in my house. So that's how I've been using it, both in my house and of course when I go traveling, or when I'm traveling somewhere, I will definitely I'm definitely going to use the cases that are used to store everything for me when I'm traveling. So that's how I've been using it around my house. I've just been using the holder, and of course when I am traveling, I'm probably going to be traveling sometime soon, then I will definitely use the cases, and I'm sure everything will be great and my beauty blender will look perfect. So I will put the link to the product in the description box down below. Check them out on Amazon. Just click on the link and it'll take you straight there. And in the comment section down below, let me know what you guys think of this product. Don't you think it's so cute and portable and handy? Oh my god, I love it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think, what other videos you want to see. Of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I usually put them all throughout my video and description box down below. Share this video with your friends. And if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I will check you all out in my next video very soon. Bye!
Only by frozen memories.